Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create notebook page in Microsoft Word. So in order for us to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and click the insert button right here and choose table. Let's go ahead and choose 1 by 6 just like so. And yeah, from here I'm going to go ahead and click this one, and let's just go ahead and change the font size as well as the font style. So yeah, once you're done with that, just go ahead and click this once again, and then we're gonna go ahead and choose outside borders. And now you're seeing that, yeah, we have this now. And if you're gonna go ahead and click this one, you can actually go ahead and make some adjustment with regards to the spaces between the lines of the notebook. So in our case, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose 1.5. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to add a more lines here to create a notebook? So we head over to the table layout. I'm going to go ahead and click Insert Row below, just like so. And you can go ahead and do this until you fill in all of the notebook page that you want to set here. So just like so, you can go ahead and delete this part. We don't need this. All right, there you go. So if you're going to go ahead and click Control P, now you have created a notebook page here in Microsoft Word.